So I realize it's halfway through February, but I finally got my January Knitcrate bag, and I'm really excited to see what is in here. So this month for Knitcrate, they had some shipping issues, so they kind of swapped around what was going to be February and January, or maybe they're doing it for February and March. I don't remember. They're changing something. So I don't even remember what preview this was, so it's a total surprise. Oh, you know what? I saw the preview for these and I loved the other colors. Like, I mean, this is nice, it's neutral, it's cool, but the other colors were like this super pretty blue and this super pretty purple. And I admit I was kind of wishing I got one of those, but that's okay. This is cool. Okay, I've got Audine Wool's Haze in colorway Penumbra. It's a superwash merino with mohair and silk. 120 yards per gram, so it's like a bulky. It's pretty soft. It's not like super soft, but it's got a decent amount of squish to it. I think it'd make like a fun cowl or even like a chunky hat. So that could be really cool. All right, let's see what our bonus is. But first, shadows. Ooh. And of course, since I'm getting the eco bag, I don't get a booklet for my patterns, so I'll have to go on that website to see my patterns. And, oh, that's cute. We got little handmade markers we can sew on there. Hand stitched with love and lots of yarn. And there's different sayings. I used the good stuff just for you. Hey, you know you love someone if you use the good yarn, right? And you trust them to hand wash things. 100% handmade and non-regiftable. Well, actually, I disagree with that because I would rather somebody re-gift what I made them than not love it and keep it. So I disagree with that. But this took forever to make. Don't ruin it. That is probably my favorite. I can't tell you how many things I've had ruined by people washing laundry. So these ones are funny. I have no idea who made these, but they're super cute and I love them. So this is the Knitcrate website. And you can see the other colors that they had. So I really love this like a dusky purple color, and I really like the teal. So you can't go wrong. I mean, this is a nice neutral. It's not like offensive or anything, but it's just, you know, very neutral. I would love it in combination with the other ones. And I know I could go buy some from the Knitcrate shop, but the fact of the matter is I have way too much yarn right now. So there's that pretty purple. Dusk. And if you do Knitcrate, you can choose which colorway you get. So I could have definitely told them which one I wanted. And for some reason, in the last few Knitcrates, I haven't been able to get my pattern booklet, which I don't actually care about since I'm not going to make their patterns anyway. But if you do care about that, the link for me, for some reason, hasn't been working and it hasn't been getting uploaded to my member account. However, when I contacted their customer service, they sent me a copy of it. So they will help you out if you're having the same issue that I have been having. So I don't know what's going on there. Hopefully they get that sorted. So that is my January Knitcrate haul. Fun little labels. I'm totally going to use those this Christmas. I know it's February and I'm already thinking about Christmas. I can't help it. It's like the crafter's curse, right? You're always thinking about the next gifting season. So that's fun. If you got a Knitcrate, I'd love to see what you got. If you're interested in trying Knitcrate, you can get a link below in the description. And as usual, I'd love to show you what I've been working on with my last box. So last month we got this Twinkle DK yarn. I got this purple color, and then I actually ended up going to the Knitcrate website and buying more of it because they give you a ton of discounts when you're a member. So I got more really cheap. So I'm going to make a triangle shawl. I've just started it, but I think it's going to take probably 3 or 4 balls of yarn. So it's cool. It's Tunisian crochet, and it's only using 2 stitches because I want it to be like as beginner friendly as possible. And confession, this is the first time I've made a triangle shawl. So it's a fun project. It'll probably be a couple months before this one's ready because I've got some other things happening, but you can stay tuned for that. And happy crocheting.